In the bustling hub of Oakleigh, a beacon of cleanliness shines through. Expect Commercial Cleaning. We're not just any cleaning service, we're a comprehensive solution for your business needs. Our commitment? Immaculate workspaces and reliable service. But we don't stop there. Expect Commercial Cleaning is proud to hold globally recognized certifications in quality management, occupational health and safety, and environmental systems. Our service is safe and environmentally friendly, so you can count on us. We've got you covered with $20 million in liability insurance, Workcover, and professional indemnity. We prioritize not just spotless workplaces, but also your peace of mind. We're committed to Mother Earth. That's why we only use eco-friendly cleaning products. Your space will shine, and so will our environment. In a sea of commercial cleaning companies, Expect Commercial Cleaning stands out. Our team of trained professionals treat every cleaning job, big or small, with unparalleled attention to detail. Choose Expect Commercial Cleaning. We're not just a service, we're a solution.